Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Manassas, Virginia. The homeowner has a couple different leaks. Now, the leak that they have is not on the upper roof, but instead it's on the lower roof. And I'll show you one of the reasons why it's leaking down below. Now, one thing is here, you can see a nail pop went right through the shingle, so the water's seeping right through there, traveling underneath the shingles. Then the water can drop down behind the siding and settle where they have a leak down below. But also, this ridge vent was installed incorrectly, and I'll show you why. Here, they used the nails that are too short, so when I lift it up, you can see the nail right there. So the water's backing up underneath the ridge vent, especially when there's a heavy downpour or driving rain or even a melting snow. So some of that water is seeping into the nail holes, but also when the water gets underneath the ridge vent high enough to where the shingles were cut underneath, the water can go over and then under the shingle, then the water travels down the roof, settles inside the wall, and leaks down to the lower roof. So I would highly recommend to remove and replace this ridge vent. These shingles here, 2 courses of shingles are going to have to come off. Then we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield, and then we're going to re-shingle this area. Now, the benefit of the ice and water shield, when we fasten the ridge vent back into place, it's going to seal the nails from underneath. Now, also, this ridge vent is overlapped more in the front than it is on the back. So, yeah, this is a real problem. And I'll show you the problem down on the lower roof. Okay, I'm now down on the lower roof. Now, I wanted to show you something else that's also causing a leak on the lower roof. All right, the downspout is over here. The gutter is lifted up at the highest point in the middle, then it slowly but surely drops down to the left. So the gutter needs to be lifted up high over here, drop it down a little bit in the middle, because what's happening is when it rains really heavy, that water is ponding in that area because the water cannot go uphill quick enough to where the drain is. So when the water reaches the height of the screws that's holding the gutter into place, the water will seep right through the sides of the screws, through the fascia, and down behind the siding, and again, settle on the lower roof. But here's another thing. Okay. They have a bump in the roof. Okay, I don't know if you can really see it, but right here, this section of the roof here is lower than this. So there's a bump right here. And when I lift up the shingles, let me see. Okay. So what happens is the water gets underneath the shingles and the water can seep right through the sides of the nail and then leak inside the home. So what I really recommend is to take off these shingles here, maybe 3 courses of shingles altogether. Once it's removed, in fact, this nail here was overdriven, so the water will get in there very easy. So we'll take off these courses of shingles, then we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield to the deck, and then we're going to re-shingle this area. And then once we target all the leaks like I mentioned, these leaks are in the past. Again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair in Manassas and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.